Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Alright, we're talking about MONAD. I feel that MONAD will start very soon, in the next 72 hours or less. Uh, just have a look. Uh, they are in a hurry just because Coinbase, with their base network, are making a lot of waves. So MONAD, you will see, it's a lot better, a lot faster, and it's the Solana killer. I'm telling you, it is Ethereum killer, Bitcoin killer, Solana killer. I'm telling you, pay attention, be ready, have money in, let's say, in US dollar Tether or USDC, like a US dollar circle type of, um, have crypto stablecoins ready to buy MONAD. MONAD will do a, a big surprise for us, will make a lot of money in the first minutes of trading. You will see a lot of institutions will adopt it. All right, just have a look what I'm seeing. Okay, this is the their Twitter thingy, MONAD. Have a look. When that was the first, that was the question, and they are posting these. Go to MONAD and you will see MAIN. So the mainnet will be deployed soon. The token will start trading. I'm telling you, huge money will flow out of altcoins, out of Bitcoin, and everybody will jump on MONAD. That's my intuition. Because I've been testing it, I've been farming it, and the speed, it's excellent. And I'm telling you, a lot of institutions will buy it. Because again, I insist to tell you, MONAD is the Solana killer, it's Ethereum killer, it's Bitcoin killer. All right. Plus, they will be very generous. It will be the biggest airdrop of this year. They have huge amount of money, but not just that. Whatever they will deploy, part of it will be shared with the farmers, right? The like the technicians and guys which they were testing the testnet. All right. So I'm telling you, my intuition is simple. You will see even Michael Saylor, that holds a lot of bitcoins, will somehow sell part of its bitcoins and jump into MONAD. He is afraid that his bitcoin will not save him. Again, huge energy, huge money will shift from altcoins and Bitcoin towards MONAD. Get ready, it might happen in the next few days. These guys are in a hurry. Okay, so that's kind of it. Thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.